So I'm in my office and I hear this buzzing sound. I don't know what it is, and I look out the window and we have a giant swarm of bees around our whole building. So it's pretty scary. Carpenter bees, that's what they were. Okay, well, Volvo just called me and I need to go there and pick up a trailer. Yes, a trailer, not a truck. So we're going to head over to Volvo, which isn't too far from here, and pick up a trailer there that for some reason the driver left it there. So I'm going to pick myself out a nice truck to take over there and we'll go pick it up. Alright, she started up. I'm going to air up the gauges. I feel like a lowrider. The seat's way down here. We need to put some power steering fluid in it. It's completely dry, so it's making a loud noise when I turn the steering wheel. So we're going to get that in there before I just take this over to Volvo. We're going to pull it around the back to the shop, and they're going to put it in. We don't have any up here in the office. Yeah, I can hear that old whine when I turn the steering wheel. Wow, this one has so much better suspension than old Red. In my dreams of life after trucking, I'm always in a truck. And I don't know what door to take this to. Every door I go to down there, they complain about the door that we picked. So we will try to pick a door that... Oh wow, we got 6 mechanics all standing out front here. Let's see if they'll complain. Well, they haven't complained so far, but I haven't talked to anyone yet. All right, we filled it up, but it's still making that noise. I'm going to drive it around a little bit. I'm just going to go over there and pick up the trailer and then come back. And if that sound is still making the sound, it's going to be the power steering pump. So we shall see. favorite stops, always has been. QuikTrip, gonna get some quick fuel and then get over there and get that trailer picked up. That tree over there is infested with bees. You can't see it, he's dancing around the back, but I have a feeling they're following me from the office over here. All right, let's get out of here before those bees follow me back to the office. Actually, we got to stop by and get that trailer, which is what we're doing anyway. But Volvo is just on the other side of the freeway, so this is literally just a quick trip, get it? And I know some of you will ask, so you don't have to ask now, I'll just tell you. When you're making a little trip like this, you don't have to be on logs. If you're within 100 miles radius of your office, then you don't have to be on electronic logs. Going to be in the 90s here in Georgia and very humid, so very much like Florida. And we're rolling up to the Volvo here, and hopefully our trailer will be here. And it won't be buried too far, hopefully. There it is. And we're backing right up to this puppy, just like the olden days. Except there's a piece of wood I gotta move. It's right in the way. All right, here it is. All right, let's get it hooked up here. All right, gotta have a sip of coffee here. And the trailer looks good. Let's get out of here and make our 5-minute voyage back. I gotta make sure these tanks in the back fill up. Yeah, we're good. I was just making sure the brakes weren't still on in the back. thought I was going to have to drop that as a theme, but I guess not. Regarding Black Mac, I'm not sure that I'm going to keep him, but I sure do want to. I've got permission. He's a great little cat. Testing him out in the office to see if he'll fit in. You know, when you're at work, your work is the priority. So, and I don't want to leave a little cat like that at home all day by himself until he's older, you know. So we'll just see what happens with Black Mac, the kitten. He's ferocious. Oh boy, is he ferocious. We are back here at the mothership. Let's get disconnected. And we're going to go ahead and put this truck in the shop to fix that steering wheel pump. And because we don't want a driver to lease this truck out, buy it, and then have it go out on them. So we'll fix it first, and so the driver gets a good truck when he comes here to buy it. All right, we got the trailer dropped off, and now the truck dropped off, and the shop's going to replace that pump. So let's get in the office and see what's going on. It's a busy day.
You're watching Adventures in Trucking with Indiana Jack, and all the way from Hong Kong, and specifically the peak at the very top of Hong Kong. They are huge fans. Have a good day. Keep on trucking.
We've been hiring so many people that it's hard to keep up. So I'm having to do a lot of this stuff that I wouldn't normally have to do, which I don't mind. You know, I like to do a lot of different things at work. Today I feel like a workman. We're putting the lettering on this truck. This nice Fitzgerald glider kit, a Freightliner, one of the nicest trucks. I really like this truck. So let's try to make it look even nicer here at the truck yard. Well, the other side is easy, but this side we have a bit of a problem because there's no room. See, it overlaps there. It might fit there, or even there. All right, well, CJ, who owns this truck, he suggested here, and I agree. The two letters are going to be hidden a little bit, but we're going to make it work, by golly. Okay, that looks okay. You can barely tell that there's that seam there, but blends in pretty good.